Hello, this is the next trading example. It is on the Euro futures. Now what happened in here was a strong selling activity, crazy strong sell-off, and afterwards there was rejection of lower prices and pretty massive volumes got traded there. In here, this area. The high volume node being in here, 1697 contracts, which is quite a lot, and this is a strong support. This whole area is a strong support. By the way, there's also a huge number on the trades filter. Let me move the line a bit so you can see it. 139 contracts on the trades filter in here. So that's another confirmation of that level. Now let's use the 5-minute footprint to look for some confirmation when the price makes pullback to this level. If there is a confirmation, then it will be a sign to enter a long trade from this area. But this is a bit risky because there was a strong downtrend, so it will be a risky trade, and I'll want to see the confirmation on the 5-minute footprint, or of course on the cumulative delta. I would like to see a divergence on the delta and the price. So let's play it at faster speed and let's see what will happen when there is a pullback to this level again. Currently the price is moving above the level. Let me fast forward it a bit so we don't need to wait too long. Alright, now the price is heading towards the level. Now what I like in here is the divergence, because the price is going downwards, but delta stays, it's moving upwards. There's still an uptrend on the cumulative delta. It didn't start to fall like the price did. So this is a nice confirmation. Let's just wait if we see something pop up on the 5-minute footprint. Now this is a huge number, 107 contracts. This looks like a limit buy. It is very close to the level. The volumes are way bigger than the volumes in this area. There's a divergence on delta, and I think that this is enough for a confirmation to enter along from this area. So the best place would be to enter right now for this price as soon as we identified this limit order. So this would be the trade entry 0845. Now because this was a risky trade, if there is more sign of sellers, then it would be best to quit it. Alright, so let's wait how it develops. I'll draw the line to the entry point. Delta is still good. Delta is not falling. It would be great to take, for example, 10 pips from this trade, but let's see how it develops. I'll fast forward a bit. the cumulative delta remains flat, which is good. It's not falling. It would be great if the delta started to rise now. Buyers jumping in, buying imbalances here and here. More buying imbalances. Positive delta. Buyers are jumping in. This looks good. Delta is close to 0, but the price is going upwards. Again, this is a risky trade, so if there is a sign of sellers, it would be just best to quit the trade, alright? It's aggressive trade because there was this crazy strong sell-off, so we are trading a counter trend, which is risky. Selling imbalance. This is selling imbalance, but the delta is close to 0. I would really like to see the delta rise, but it isn't rising. Alright, this looks pretty bad. Those sellers. Looks like sellers are jumping in. The delta is not rising even though the price is rising. We are trading against a strong downtrend. If I zoom this line chart a bit, you can see we are trading longs against a downtrend. There is a divergence between price and delta upwards, and delta is more or less sideways. Now it's slightly negative. Now sellers started to jump in, so in my opinion it would be best to play it safe and quit the trade in here. This would be just 7 pip profit, but it's very risky trade. So either take your profit in here or secure your position. And I would secure the position aggressively by moving the stop loss below those volumes. So it would be in here. So if the sellers start to jump in and push the price downwards, you don't lose too much, alright? So either quit the trade when this appeared or move the stop loss aggressively below those volumes. So in here. Let's continue with the replay. Aggressive seller jumping in. That looks bad. selling imbalances all over the place. Sellers are aggressively jumping in. So if you didn't quit the trade in here, it would be best to quit in here. Alright, more selling imbalances jumping in. Alright, so that's for this risky trade. I hope you liked what I showed you in this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next example.